Hi everyone, I have found an amazing new feature in the YouTube Studio that will help you get more YouTube views on your videos. If you want to see how to do that, stick around and I'll show you right now. Okay, welcome to Studio Hacks, where we look at the latest in tech trends and music production. This is a fantastic video for any YouTube creators or anyone who's interested in making a YouTube channel. I have just discovered a new section in the YouTube Studio, which is the back end for YouTube creators, and it has some amazing new insights. So I've been doing a bit of an audit of my YouTube channel and seeing why some videos perform better than others. And I was noticing that this video that I have has around well over 100,000 views since it was published, and it's about GarageBand Auto-Tune. Whereas this other video that I've got, which is about setting any song as your ringtone on your iPhone, only has a measly 14,000 views. And I was wondering that should have been a lot better topic than there's a smaller niche for GarageBand. The iPhone one should be doing heaps better. So you can navigate to the YouTube Studio by clicking on your YouTube icon on the top right hand corner and selecting YouTube Studio. Under the Content tab, select any one of your videos and click the details there. Now you notice under Details, we have a tab here called Analytics. Now I'm going to go back to the video here, and the most important new tool that I want to show you is this Reach tab, because this has a fantastic new feature called the impression click-through rate. And this is really amazing because this is how many people, right here, the impressions, that's how many people YouTube has shown your video to. And then this video has been shown to almost 1 million people, and 9.6 of them clicked on my thumbnail. And you'll notice that I got about roughly 10% of those people viewed my video, which is really, really good. A click-through rate of 9.6, I do some affiliate marketing, is a really good click-through rate. But you'll notice on my other video, my click-through rate was abysmal. It was only 1.3%. It was shown to 129,000 people, and only 14,000 people watched it. And from the impressions, I got this abysmal click-through rate. Now, the main reason, number one reason, I'm just going to bring Canva over here. This was the thumbnail right here that I had originally. It was quite bland. It wasn't designed very well, and it said make any song a ringtone, and it had just a little iPhone. So I then have switched it over to this one, which is quite a bit more accessible. I've got a surprised looking face. Now I've got Canva Pro, so I can just search for surprised here and find all these great pictures. If you want a link to Canva so you can get Canva Pro, I will leave that in the description. It's an amazing thumbnail creator, and I do have a few other video tutorials on that. But I'm actually going to go one step further because I noticed something else. I was inadvertently using the power of celebrity to get a lot of these views, because a lot of Post Malone's songs have auto-tune in them, and I had a cutout of Post Malone on my thumbnail. Now that means that a lot of people are looking for GarageBand auto-tune, they see Post Malone and there's immediate recognition. If I had my face on there, they might go, who's this guy? They might not even like the look of me. But Post Malone is an immediate connection that you will draw people in with. So I'm going to do something really cool. I looked on the Billboard 100, which is the top 100 songs in the world right now, and I've noticed that Harry Styles has the top #1 song in the world at the moment, according to this chart. So I'm going to grab a photo of Harry Styles. I'm going to drag that image into my Canva, and I'm going to use the celebrity power instead of this stock photo, which I found, which is quite good because, you know, we all know that surprised faces make people click. I'm going to do something cool. I'm going to edit this image. I'm going to remove the background. That's a really great feature in Canva Pro. Now it's got the background removed. I'm going to add a white glow around that because it's been shown time and time again that a white glow around somebody's face or, body is really effective on a thumbnail. So there's the white glow. I'm going to make the blur a bit less so it's more of a line. There we go. And now I'm going to make Harry Styles a little bit bigger. Okay, that's great. I'm going to download this and make it my new thumbnail. So I'm going to go into details on this video. Down here under the thumbnail, I'm going to change that. And now we've got Harry Styles there. Now here's where the magic happens, because they are continually testing, the algorithm in YouTube is continually every day showing your video to a small group of people. And if lots of people out of that small group click on it, if a high percentage, it will actually start showing your video to a lot more people. This is how videos go viral on YouTube. This is how they blow up. You need to get a high click-through rate. And the number one way of getting a high click-through rate is your thumbnail. The only other thing that you have to get a high click-through rate is your description. So the thumbnail is the most important and the description is a secondary importance. It is also very important. If you want to learn how to write good descriptions, just go to some of the top channels on YouTube and see how they are using copywriting in their titles. Let's have a look at his descriptions. Okay, you'll notice they're short, they're to the point. A lot of them have a number in them. Some of them have a hashtag. So just go through and you see how so this is showing here that you don't need them to be too long. So that might be one of your problems. You might have descriptions that are too long. So let's go back and see what my description is. You can make any song into a ringtone. Here's how. iPhone tutorial. I think that looks kind of okay. I don't know how I could really restructure that. I could maybe do some testing, but here's the thing. You can go back to videos that are a year old and you can give them the treatment. You can give them new thumbnails, you can give them a new description because you might not have had this information back then. This is a new feature. So if you have some YouTube videos or if you are uploading new videos or if you're thinking of starting a channel, make sure to give it a great thumbnail. Use the power of celebrity on your thumbnail to get a higher click-through rate. And I'm going to be really interested to see if this video does any better over the next couple of weeks to a month than it has in the past, getting only 14,000 views since it was uploaded. When did I upload this video? I uploaded this video over 2 years ago, so 14,000 views in 2 years is quite abysmal. I'm going to be really excited to see how this performs, and I'm going to go back to some of my old videos and give them the same treatment. I hope you found this video about how to get more views on your YouTube videos interesting and informative. If you did, make sure you do subscribe to my channel. And if you would like me to cover any other topics, pop a question in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.